value is greater than 0, I will display positive. If it is less than 0, I will display negative. Otherwise, I will display 0. Okay? What's the question? Again, I repeat the question. User will enter a number, a numeric value. Why are you talking? Ananya. Okay. User will enter a value, an integer value. If the value is greater than 0, it will display positive. If it is less than 0, it will display negative. And if it is equal to 0, it will display 0. Okay. I do it here. See. Always you distract. If you sit at the back, that doesn't mean that you are not inside the class. Okay. Girls, are you writing? Why is it? Index, I have declared an integer. I am asking from the user is entering a value. Now next thing is that this value has to be checked. Okay? This value has to be checked whether it is equal to 0, whether it is greater than 0, or whether it is less than 0. Fine. Again? Tell me you don't understand English. I am telling you so many times that you need to keep your mouth shut. If you don't want to study, just keep your mouth shut. Don't disturb the other class. People who want to study, see, they are sitting in the front. You always sit at the back. Now, if x is greater than 0, okay, tell me, who can tell me? What do I write here? If this condition is 0, greater than 0, what has to be displayed? Positive. So what will be the statement? Tanya, stand up.
Positive.
If somebody is giving answer, you should appreciate. Okay, Tanya. Positive. So see out positive. Very good, Tanya. Sit down. Positive. See, you see the syntax? If, this is again a keyword. If. This is the next keyword you are getting across. And then the condition has to be given within brackets. This is the grammar. So if you are using an if statement, then the condition x greater than 0, see use of this greater than symbol, this one, x greater than 0, this has to be given in this round bracket, this is grammar. And then, see we are losing our time. I get only 40 minutes and I spend 15 minutes on you. So how much fruitful time I am getting? Okay, next, I will put another statement. If x is less than 0, what do I display?
Negative.
Negative. And the last one, I am writing it here. If x double equal to 0, see out 0. Now look at this. Okay.
it is here if x is greater than 0 और से आप पॉजिटिव है सर अगर हमने बाकी का आगे का स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया और वैल्यू लेस देन 0 आई
Good question. Will you stand up? What was the question? You stand up. Anybody who have understood the question? Who has understood the question from this side? So if you disturb, then the others will not be able to listen. So his question was that suppose these two statements are not written, okay? These two I won't write, okay? If x is greater than 0, it is taken care of. Otherwise, what happens? Nothing happens because we haven't specified anything. Computer will, go according to your instructions. These are the instructions basically. What is a program? A set of instructions. So if you do not provide an instruction, then computer will not listen. Are you getting my point? Fine. The next one is if x is less than 0, see out, negative. And if x is equal to 0, see out, okay. Please write it down quickly. Positive, positive. Write it down quickly. Yes. What happened again? Okay.
Equal to 2 over.
Now, there are many questions coming up. Let me clear it. First, relational operators is used to build up. Okay. Condition means, please do not make sound. Condition means that the result has to be either true or false. What is the condition? A condition means that the result which comes out of the condition is either true or false. So x is greater than 0. Is it true or false? If it is true, then this line gets executed. If it is false, then the next line gets followed. Next line is this. Remember, this line is not ending here. There is no semicolon. Actually, this line is ending here. This line is ending here. I have just written in two sentences. You could have written in the single sentence also. What did I do? I have written in two sentences because of the readability factor. That means the students or the programmers will be able to understand later on, as I told you, the comments, the use of comments. Okay. Now you see, this is a single sentence. This is the second sentence. If x is less than 0, see out negative. And the third sentence is this. Okay. Now there was a question from Lavanya. Sir, why double equal to? See, there are two things. Don't get confused. Double equal to and single equal to. This is an assignment operator. This is an and this is a relational operator. This gives rise to a condition. That means it basically says that is it equal to this comparing. Okay. Is the value of x is equal to 0? So the result will be either true or false. This is a comparison. Suppose I write single equal to, then it will not work according to the expectation. But what did I say? What is the difference between double equal to and single equal to? Who will say yes? Please tell me. Stand up. Okay, any further support? Lavanya, what did you understand about double equal to single equal to? Stand up.
Equal to रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर है और सिंगल इक्वल टू डालेंगे तो वो कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे जैसे ट्रू और फॉल्स फिर वो अपनी स्टेटमेंट है.
Very good. Both of you sit down. Now let me ask to the back. Yes, Mani. What is the difference between double equal to and single equal to?
डबल इक्वल टू जो है हम कंपेयर
ये हाथ की जगह. हाँ. Do it again. Double equal to? You. That is why I tell you, please listen quietly. Keep standing. Yes.